now. Number 4 is Canon PIXMA G4210 wireless printer. If you're looking for the ultimate sublimation printer under $700, then the Canon PIXMA G4210 wireless all-in-one supertank printer is an excellent choice. This sleek and powerful machine is a game-changer in the world of printing. It's packed with features that will make your printing experience a breeze while keeping your budget intact. With built-in AirPrint support, you can effortlessly print directly from your iOS device without the hassle of drivers. It's as simple as a tap, your vibrant prints come to life. The integration of ink tanks is functional and adds a touch of elegance to the printer's design. But that's not all. The Canon PIXMA G4210 takes productivity to the next level with its auto document feeder, ADF. Scan, copy, and fax multi-page documents in a flash, saving you valuable time and effort. Whether you're printing, scanning, or copying, this powerhouse printer delivers impressive results. Thanks to the Canon Print app and Wi-Fi capabilities, you can print whenever and however you like. The convenience of wireless printing, combined with the reliability of the PIXMA G4210, makes it the perfect choice for professionals and creative enthusiasts alike. So if you are inquisitive about this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.